National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Lincoln County in south-central Mississippi, southeastern Jefferson County in southwestern Mississippi, northeastern Franklin County in southwestern Mississippi, Copiah County in central Mississippi, until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over New Hope, or 8 miles north of Meadville, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Pleasant Hill, Casaville, and Union Church around 9:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Allen and McBride around 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Barlow and Lloyd Star around 10:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Delancey around 10:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Hazlehurst, Wesson, Beauregard, and Martinsville around 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Gulman around 10:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Crystal Springs around 10:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Georgetown and Hopewell around 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time for central, south central, and southwestern Mississippi.